BMW X6 M with a 4.4 twin turbo S63 engine. That right there is the oil separator, which tends to fail, will cause the engine to burn in engine oil excessively. Many people start going crazy and start trying to replace valve stem seals. You have to get through all this stuff to replace those oil separators. There's one on each side, on each valve cover. It's not a tough job, not really any special tools. You're not messing with timing, any of the cams or anything. It's just a lot of patience. You will need to replace some of these clamps. You will need the special pliers to compress those clamps. It's a tedious job. This is not really an instructional video. I'm just kind of showing you what the work more or less entails, and addressing what might be causing your S63 engine to smoke. It's those oil separators. They go bad, they stop separating the vapors in the oil, and your intake starts sucking in. It starts sucking in oil and sending it into your piston and burning it. I still have this side to get rid of a lot of cables. It looks like a headache. Just take your time. You will get through it. You have access to all data, use it. If not, go on to the BMW website, and you can access all their manuals for like $30 a day. I'll try to post the link in the comments or in the description of the video. But it's not a hard job. It just takes time, patience, and labeling things so you don't get them all mixed up. You will have to be extremely clean when you get back to putting those injectors that go there. The injectors are over here. I labeled them because they have to go exactly. See, I did a little chart. They have to go exactly back where you took them from. You can't interchange them. If you took it from cylinder 1, you put it back in cylinder 1. Just wanted to share this quick video as to why your S63, even on the N63s, and actually any BMW engine, the positive crankcase ventilation tends to fail. So check that out first before going crazy and trying to do a valve job and replacing seals and taking the cams apart. Check your CCV, and in this case it's not here, but one of the ventilation hoses for the crankcase ventilation was broken, so that might have been the reason why those valves failed. So again, check that out before you go into intensive, very expensive valve stem seal job. Again, it might look like a nightmare, but it's not. It's just take your time, label things, pay attention, and be patient.